Welcome to John Darks. Today we're introducing you to our Volvo XC40 1.5H T5 twin engine recharge. This is an Inscription Pro automatic onto 2022 plate and currently sitting on 19-inch 5 double spoke alloys. This vehicle's got 14,900 miles on, one registered previous keeper, and is a petrol plug-in hybrid. The car comes with a minimum 6-month warranty. Has a rear reversing camera, power tailgate, would come with a full clean MOT. Engine power total 258 brake horsepower, and a combination fuel consumption 134.5 miles to the gallon. The vehicle comes with black leather seats, front and rear, and it has the blonde roof lining as well as a contrast. It has a 2-stage memory seat function for the driver, along with electrical seat and electric lumbar support. Confirmation of mileage. We have a built-in sat nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, reversing camera, along with your heated seats for your front passengers, Bluetooth connectivity, roadside information, park assist, lane keeping aid, speed sign assist, cornering lights, and active bending lights as well. This car is ready to view and test drive. Should you be interested, please do not hesitate to contact us here at John Darks, where we're always happy to help with our vehicles. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.